Welcome back, my fellow bosses, to another episode of Cigar Boss. Today, I'm here with my daughter, Brianna.
Hello.
Wow. So much energy. So, today we're going to do an unboxing. Tomorrow, or the next day, we're going to try to do the cigar. The Gurkha 30th anniversary, to be exact. Did you bring my knife?
No.
Teens. Well, let's do the unboxing. I think we have a knife in here, right? Did I remember that correctly? This is from my last episode, the Survival Mystery Box. A lot of good things in here. I think it's worth the money. Yes. Aha. That is an awkward smile. Yeah, there. Like, here's the package. Oh, by the way, we're also going to give this a try. It's Copper Fox Whiskey. Single malt. This right here is from Virginia. Okay, Williamsburg, Virginia, and what was the other town? Sperryville. They actually opened up in Sperryville back in 2005. I've heard good things, and I've seen good ratings on this, so we want to give it a try. I want to give it a try, not we. You're not old enough. Right?
Yeah.
You better say yeah. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, so oaky. You get oak flavor from that. Or, Camera Girl, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very smoky smell. Do you want to smell? Yeah? Do you smell it? Like oaky?
Yeah.
Like, it's kind of like an oakiness. It's almost like a char oak smell. Nice color. My ice sphere is made with purified water. I used Essentia purified water so I could get the most flavor from my whiskey without contaminating it with tap water. You want to smell? It opens up the flavors once you pour it. There are three lining flavors in there. You first take a sip. It has one taste. Then after, it's almost like the flavor changes. You go back for a second drink, that oak smell really stays in there. Like whatever they barreled this in, They definitely kept it in there for a good amount of time. I'm gonna have to pay a visit to their distillery, see what they go through with this, because it definitely does have a good flavor. It says toasted with applewood and oak. Finished with toasted applewood and oak. Definitely has a good oaky flavor. So, camera girl, you're supposed to be paying attention to the camera. Package. This just shows want to pour it up? Okay, I'll take that. Oh, nice. This camera girl. We'll open this up. Okay, so what we ordered was camera girl.
Ah!
What we ordered is silver from Scottsdale Mint. As you see, it comes nice and sealed. It does say that it was inspected, and it's stamped to be inspected. And I do like it. It's already. It's in a container. It has pretty good weight. Want to feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good weight. Camera girl, put your hand up. Right there. What do you think?
Well, it's heavy.
Take that off. I'll take the top off. When you're dealing with gold, silver, platinum, you generally want to wear gloves. I currently purchase stackables, so I'm not really caring about gloves right now. Seems to be in good shape. And wow, that's pretty thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 silver coins. These are... Is it able to get in, camera girl?
Yes.
Got a good view?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to turn it around. You able to see?
Yeah.
Can you see it good?
Yeah. It's golden
Silver.
and silver.
Would you like to...
Okay.
There you go. Feel that weight.
Wow.
So we have these pieces of silver. These are 2 troy ounce, 0.999 fine silver. These are stacker rounds from Scottsdale Mint. And as you see, the back part has the indent. The front part comes out, bubbles out. And you're able to just take 2 coins, turn them, and just stack them right on top of each other. That perfect seal. We'll take 3. Perfectly sealed. These are very nice, very polished. What do you think? Want to stack them?
Here you go.
Oh, thank you, camera girl. You're not good at puzzles, are you?
I am.
Why silver? Very simple. Right now it's the cheapest of the precious metals. Okay, the least expensive, I should say. Not really cheapest. Least expensive. Easy to buy. This stack of 8 cost me, let's see, $477. This is $477 worth of gold, silver. Sorry. So each piece cost me $59. I think today's current silver, as we're recording, it's $29 an ounce, I believe. I think it's $29 an ounce right now. So these are 2 ounces each. Precious metals is good to have. It's something everyone should invest in, whether it's silver, gold, or platinum. As long as you have these precious metals, no matter what the economy does, you have buying power. Right here. Just like the old days, when they used to give silver and gold coins, right? You have no clue what's going on right now, do you?
No.
I know. Silver. Invest in it. And since we're here and doing unboxing, I would like to point out Dream Girls TV is back on. They're re-recording. This right here is a special gift from one of my buddies at work. To them, they're going to be doing trail mix review. Or survival. I guess survival mix? What do you say? Survival mix?
Yeah.
Here you go, camera girl.
Yay.
And of course, as always, I don't get paid from them, but I should. Celsius! I absolutely love this drink. Don't you? She loves it too. It's all natural. I mean, it's just good to have around. Animal Flex. I'm getting older. My joints hurt. This is supposed to help with that. We're going to give that a try. Night Shred. I'm getting older. It's hard for me to get good sleep and I keep getting fat. This is not supposed to help me get thin, but stop helping me get fatter. Shut up. Empty box. That is it for this episode. Thank you, Brianna, for being on my episode and being so helpful. So much input. She never shuts up. Hit subscribe. hit like, hit share, leave a comment below. Do you guys invest in silver? Should you be investing in silver? Do you like gold better? I don't know. Gold is better. It's just more expensive right now. Right? You don't know. You have no clue what's going on. Or, it's kind of everywhere, but, is it in here? There it is. Precious jewels. Precious stones, I should say. Precious stones. That is a real ruby. Real ruby. Also, something not a bad investment to make. Yeah, I'll let you hang on to that. Do you like this content? Do you want to see different content? Let us know down below. Cigar Boss is out.
Did you press the button already?